always. Cool B out my body.
Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. What is good, Versatile Squad? You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I already got the hood up for y'all, right? Something's missing, right? Oh, what is going on? We're actually going to be cleaning and recharging the air filter on the C7 Corvette, y'all. I do have a AFE Pro 5R air intake. It does come blue when you do order it. Mine has a red tint because the last time I recharged it, I used the Cane air filter oil, and this, it just has a red tint to it, y'all. Y'all don't need the fancy brand AFE Power blue tint oil. I mean, y'all can order it online, but why when you can go to the store and get the same exact thing? It's gonna do the same exact thing, y'all. So you don't have to order it and be all fancy and go stick with the brand. It's still gonna work the same and give the same benefits as if you use the regular one. So let's talk about how often you should even clean and oil your filter, recharge it. For me, I can actually like tell the difference when I'm driving, because I daily drive my Vette, y'all. So even in my older car, my Nissan Pathfinder, y'all, I could tell the difference when I need to clean out or just blow out my air filter, y'all. It's gonna sound clogged, muffled. You're not gonna have the same power when you step on it. It's gonna be like a little bit more hesitant. It's gonna be like, why it's not going? Why it sound like that? You're gonna be able to tell, y'all. Especially in Houston, it's a little dusty. I do work on the railroad, so the air climate is not that good. And then it's just if you work in a dusty environment, you'll be able to tell the difference from. Look, I'm gonna just stop talking. Just look. But yeah, y'all need to check your oil filter. I would say a good 2.5 months. Check your oil filter, your air filter, y'all, just to give it make sure it's clean. It's not all dirty and gunked up. Look at this, y'all. That's crazy. So today we're actually going to be using this K&N multi-purpose deep cleaner. You're going to spray it in here, let it soak a little bit, and then after that we're going to use this to charge it. You're going to lightly coat it. This is for multiple recharges, y'all, so don't use the whole can on one filter, y'all. Y'all going to mess up your engine, possibly blow a head gasket, because all that oil is going to suck into your air intake. And don't ask me how I know, y'all. I had a motorcycle, sprayed too much, sucked all that shit, boom, no more bite. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and soak it inside this multi-purpose cleaner, y'all, and then go ahead and oil it up. Be time to throw it back in, see how she sound. All right, y'all, so you're gonna wanna do some coats like this. Make sure you're spraying evenly across it, making sure it's getting in all the grooves. For the multi-purpose cleaner, y'all, you can't overuse it, y'all. Meaning, you can use as much as you want to get all that dirt and gunk out of it. All right, we're gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. Go ahead and set my timer. And then come back, check it out. Then you're gonna have to rinse it off. After you rinse it off, you can let it dry in the sun, but that's gonna take hours. So like I said earlier, I'm gonna be using this vacuum here that blows in and sucks in. So if you have one of these, you'll be able to dry your air filter out faster. And if you don't, you can actually use a hair dryer too. That'll work as well, or a heat gun, but I wouldn't recommend that. So let's go ahead and wait for that to get done cleaning, y'all. Let all that soak up, drain all that nasty gunkness out. We're gonna get back at it when it's time to wash it out. Get back at y'all. Oh yeah, also y'all, while we're waiting for that to dry, y'all haven't already, be sure to go check out JI Productions, y'all. He did hook us up with the free ceramic coat kit. Let me see, right there, from Hydrosilics, and all you had to do was pay shipping. Speaking of the devil, y'all, ain't that ridiculous? Speaking of the goddamn devil. But yeah, we're actually gonna be washing the car and seeing how the Hydro Celix ceramic coat kits. This man here just got long to the grass, 2 inch on that thing. He all in the versatile grass. This is not this man all in the grass. You can get close to the vent, he's scared to hit you. Unnecessary, goddamn. But yeah, y'all, like I was saying, go check out JI Productions page. He did hook us up with a free ceramic coat kit from Hydro Celix. All you had to do was enter JI Squad in the what is it? Brother, I was just talking about you. I was introducing the Hydro Celix, goddamn.
Let's go.
In the coupon code, y'all. Enter JI Squad in the coupon code. Is that still available or did it expire?
Yeah, it should still be up by the time this video goes up, man. You dig what I'm saying? And if not, you know what I mean, I'll just go wrap it up with my guys over there at Hydro Celix and get you guys a new code, man. Make sure y'all go tap in. It's crazy that you're shooting this video right now because if you guys go over to JI Productions, you dig what I'm saying? I'm actually about to shoot should we pop the?
Go ahead and pop the trunk. You see, y'all, we only got the little starter kit. They sent this man a whole, the whole shebang, everything.
Yeah, my guys, man. You know I had to bring the shoes tight for the wash on the sock. You're not trying to hoop. You're not trying to hoop. You're not trying to hoop. It's okay. I know you're not. Old man needs.
I'm fresh off the work. Shit.
Versatile guy, old man needs. Man. You know what I mean, but. Huge shout out to my guys, you know what I'm saying? I can't show too much, but I ain't gonna show too much. You know what I mean? If you wanna see the more, you know what I mean? JI Productions on the YouTube, man. Make sure y'all go tap in. We just hit 2,200 subscribers on the way to 3K. Also, you dig? I just started another channel, man. JI Reacts, man. Y'all go tap in. Yes, I just dropped 3 videos today alone on that channel. So y'all go tap in. Anything you want to react to, anything you want me to see, you know what I mean? Drop it down in the comment section down below. We are gonna get Versatile on there on the type feature on the react.
Oh yeah, I think we're supposed to be reacting to something today, huh?
Yeah, I think we might go on ahead and do that. I typed up the computer at the crib. We're gonna use yours though. We can
we make it work. We make it work. But yeah, y'all can go to hydrocelix.com right now. Go check them out on Instagram. It's just like that. All right, y'all. Now that all the multi-purpose cleaner is in there, it's soaked in there. Watch all this dirt that's gonna come out, y'all. That is crazy. And all this is being sucked into your air intake. This can't be good. Look, now y'all see that little blue tint coming back from the Profile Bar oil. This is just nasty. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna rinse this out. Then it'll be time to blow it. Then go ahead and get it oiled up. And time to throw it back in the car. See how she sound. All right, y'all, got the vacuum set up already. Got a reverse ready to blow all that nasty gunk and dirt out the damn air filter. Let's get into it. Pause. Also, I got to mention, when you wash your air filter, you're gonna wash it from the inside out. Because if you wash it from the outside in, you're just gonna push the dirt inside. So also blow from the inside out if you do choose to blow dry it or use the vacuum like I'm doing. Make sure you blow from the inside to the out because you don't want to blow all that shit back in. That's just bad. Come on now, think. All right, y'all. So I don't know about y'all, but this air, I keep saying oil filter. Damn, get in your head, Versatile. Nah, but this air filter cleaning, y'all, it was actually long overdue. So I'm actually gonna go for a double whammy. Soak this thing again, dry it out again, wash it out again, and then it'll be time to oil her up, y'all. You see she is looking a lot cleaner and a lot drier, no color in there. But yeah, y'all wanna go ahead and soak it up one more good time, and it'll be time to oil it, throw it back in. All right, y'all. So y'all can't tell, let me move outside the sun. That double whammy, man, it really paid off. It cleaned the shit out of this, y'all. Excuse my language, but this thing was truly dirty. Look, you can see all the fins in there. There's no gunk. There's nothing in between them no more. Cleaned all of that out. But now it's time to recharge it. And you're gonna want to act like you're painting. If you ever painted before, you spray, 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 spray. Don't be what you call it? Excuse me, y'all. Don't spray excessive oil onto your oil filter, y'all. Like I was saying earlier, you can mess up your engine by putting too much oil, y'all. So just like this, light even coats. That's good enough for this side. We're gonna let it soak in. Go to the side, y'all. That's good for this side, y'all. Turn to this side. It's good for this side, y'all. Turn, get this last little side. That should be good. You can go over some of the few spots that are missing some. And that should be good, y'all. You're gonna wanna let it sit for a good 30 minutes to an hour, because you don't want none of this sucking in through your air intake, y'all. That's gonna be very bad. So let this sit for a good 30 minutes to an hour. Let it soak up in there, y'all. Soak up inside the cloth. It should be time to throw it in, y'all. Also, y'all can spray that multi-purpose cleaner on a cloth, a microfiber cloth. And you see right there, that black outline? That's not because it's dark in there. That's actually from the dirt, from the air filter sucking in dirty air. You can put some of that multi-purpose cleaner on a microfiber cloth. Reach in there, clean it off. Just a tip for y'all. See, look, there goes a spot that, let's see, get some more for y'all. Look at that. Cleaned it right up.
Hey, Holmes.
Alright, y'all. Mr. J.I. Productions turned Mexican real quick.
You gotta understand, fool. You know I got the bike, I got the truck, I got the Camaro, and then I got the Yaris. If you don't got the Yaris, don't talk to me.
Speaking of the Camaro, y'all, he did just ceramic coat that thing.
Flashlight,
make sure y'all go to J.I. Productions.
Sure
look, y'all can see the vet shining, reflecting off of the damn mirror. Ain't that crazy?
Detail. Ain't that wild?
Make sure y'all go to hydrocelix.com, y'all, and go check them out. But now, y'all, you can get, please shine the light over here.
Yeah, you ain't pay your bill type, you know what I mean? It's type,
show them in the window. Boom. You got that AFE, look at that, it's shining now, y'all. That thing was looking dry, like a dry filter. Now that it's all oiled up, let's get her started up. See how she sound.
All right.
Mr. J.I. Productions, yes sir.
All right. You want me to get it from the back joint, bro?
Nah, I want them to hear it.
Oh, to hear the goddamn, okay, the cerebellum. Go ahead, brother. Test drive.
All right, y'all, we're in the car now. Give y'all some lighting. We're in the car. About to get a little test drive. See how she feel. She goddamn, that bitch is looking good.
See that motherfucker type? Goddamn, type. Gotta get you some ceramic coat going.
Some ceramic coats from Hydrocelix, y'all.
Okay.
Right off the back, y'all, she more responsive. She's sounding a whole lot better. Let me go around the corner, y'all, give y'all a little pull so y'all can hear how she sound, y'all. Cause
I thought you just weren't gonna stop.
No, I'm not.
No cop, no stop, huh? We in Mexico, it's okay, y'all. Versatile move to Mexico. Last part, yeah, packed up the house and said I'm out.
Had to, y'all. You gotta do it for the races, goddamn.
Nah, I feel you. 1320 videos and stuff.
Forgot we did just wash the car.
Wash the whip. The wheels is tight. They're wet, brother. They
just a little bit. She got a little squirrely.
Wasn't no grip at all.
He gripped the shit. He gripping that shit out there.
What you talking about?
Oh man, hey, that's forget my boy Q, man. I had to get you back, man.
What is he talking about, dude? I'm cooling
man,
it. What is he talking about, bro? What are you talking about, bro? It's like a measly little 350 wheel horsepower, bro. I mean,
that's
it
crazy.
ain't none of this make less than what my car make. You know what I mean?
Oh
So,
yeah.
I ain't worried about that.
headband on.
Big
y'all.
police type. He about to snitch. Y'all, he ratting. He's 6'9" out here. Goddamn.
But yeah, y'all, she definitely sounded a lot more better. She definitely a lot more responsive. Got a little squirrely.
Damn, who Camaro is that? I want the Yaris.
If y'all like this video, y'all, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below, y'all. Let me know how your recharge went. If you did recharge your air filter, y'all. That's gonna be it for this one, y'all. Y'all remember to stay versatile. Treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man. Go at it like it's y'all last. We out.
Popped out my motherfucking bed. Popped in a motherfucking coupe.